If you're not sure how to buy crypto, don't worry, because this video has you covered with a step-by-step guide on how to buy crypto, so you can benefit from this huge opportunity as an investor over the next 12 to 18 months. This will be done in 10 easy steps, so you can invest safely and with confidence. From setting up your first wallet to making informed investment decisions, this guide breaks down the crypto buying process into simple, digestible chunks. I've been investing in crypto now for 6 years, and I know what's possible in crypto if you put the work in and understand the fundamentals. A little warning before we start: if you're not willing to put at least some work in, like watching this video, you may as well pin all your hopes or your financial hopes on the lottery or a football bet at the weekend. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a total beginner, stick around because we've got some really valuable insights in this video, and I'll be revealing my biggest mistake I've made as a crypto investor, so you can avoid this mistake and make money in crypto. Step 1 is an introduction to crypto. Understanding what crypto is a good place to start. I didn't understand crypto back in 2017, and it meant I made huge mistakes. I started to understand crypto in 2021, and this meant I had some success in the last bull market. Crypto is a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security. As time has went on, crypto now has multiple use cases like smart contracts. It's decentralized, meaning no central authority, like a government or a bank. For me, you start with Bitcoin and then move on to Ethereum. If you fully understand Bitcoin and Ethereum, you're in a good place to start investing. Now let's move on to step 2. Step 2 is choosing the right wallet. Your wallet is where you store your crypto securely. There are various types of wallets: hardware, software, and even paper wallets. Hardware is also known as a cold wallet, and this is the safest way to go. Software is also known as a hot wallet and is stored online. I have a mix of cold and hot wallets. Step 3, research and select a crypto. With thousands of options out there, it's crucial to pick the right one for you. If you're a beginner, the safest way to go is with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Start small with money you're willing to lose, just until your confidence and conviction grows. Step 4, find a reliable exchange. Now that you've chosen your crypto, step 4 is finding a reliable exchange. I've personally used Coinbase and Kraken, but I've used several exchanges over the last 6 years. Maybe try a few out before you decide what exchange to go with, what's best for you. Then you need to create an account and make sure you use all the security features available, like 2FA. Security is really important and needs your attention and focus. Step 5, fund your account. Basically deposit fiat currency like pounds or dollars into your chosen exchange. Step 6, place your first order. Now comes the fun part. This is really simple. Let's use Coinbase as an example. When you first log in, the main cryptos will appear on the screen. At the top, you'll find Bitcoin. Select Bitcoin and then it will take you to another page. There you can buy, sell, convert, send and receive. To buy your first Bitcoin, simply select buy and decide how much you want to purchase. If you leave your crypto on an exchange, you can place a stop loss order to protect your crypto. Step 7, secure your investment. We've touched on security, but it needs to be a step because it's so important. When you buy on an exchange, use all the security features, like I've said. Then decide where you want to store your crypto. This takes us back to step 2, which is choosing the right wallet. The safest way to go is again to put it from the exchange to your cold wallet, like a Trezor or a Ledger. But this isn't for everyone, and some prefer hot wallets or even to leave their crypto on their chosen exchange. Not your keys, not your crypto is a well-known saying in the crypto community. This emphasizes the importance of maintaining control over your private keys to ensure ownership and security of your digital assets. If you don't control the private keys associated with your cryptocurrency wallet, it means you're relying on a third party, like a cryptocurrency exchange or online wallet service, to manage and secure your keys for you. In this case, you effectively don't have full control over your cryptocurrency. Step 8 is stay informed. The crypto market is dynamic and knowledge is key. When you first start out, read some books about Bitcoin and other cryptos. It took me 5 years to fully understand Bitcoin, and in this time I lost out on owning a decent amount of Bitcoin. Read books like The Price of Tomorrow and The Bitcoin Standard, and this will help with your understanding. I also read articles written for Cointelegraph and make use of crypto Twitter, or X as it's now called. The exchanges can be really good for info. Coinbase has a really good section for learning, and other exchanges like crypto.com have similar tools for learning about crypto. Step 9, monitor your investments. This is where you need to be careful. I've made the big mistake of checking on my investments far too much, like checking CoinMarketCap every 10 minutes for days and even weeks. This just brings negative emotions like stress. I don't recommend it. Check on your crypto, but please be mindful that can take over your life. If you can be calm and neutral with your crypto investing, you have a really good chance of doing well in the next bull market. Maybe check on the price of your crypto portfolio a few times a week, or even limit it to once a week. Step 10, know when to hodl or sell. This has been my biggest mistake in crypto, and that is not knowing when to hodl and when to sell. I lost out on over £200,000 of crypto profits over the last 6 years because I didn't have a cash out strategy. I've finally learned my painful lesson and now realize the importance of having a cash out strategy. My personal cash out strategy is aligned with the price of Bitcoin. I'm very confident that the price of Bitcoin will at least surpass the last all-time high during the next bull market. Based on my conviction of the technology and the continued adoption of Bitcoin and crypto, I believe the price for one Bitcoin will surpass $100,000 over the next few years. I'm going to continue to dollar cost average into crypto during the next bull market. When the price of Bitcoin gets to 100,000, I'm going to cash out 50% of my portfolio. With profits made from crypto, capital gains, I will pay the tax I'm required to pay. Then I will put the rest in the property. At this stage, at this point, I will reassess my options and decide on the next step in terms of cashing out and taking some crypto profits off the table. I feel anything is possible with crypto. What your cash out strategy is will be dependent on your risk tolerance and your goals. The main message from me is that you need some form of strategy to cash out. For more information on cashing out profits and 5 strategies to consider, see below for a video that will help you decide on your cash out strategy. And with any luck, you will get life-changing returns over the next 12 to 18 months. If you've taken some value from today's video, you can subscribe for more content that will help you in crypto, in navigating the next bull market. Thanks for listening.